In this video, I'll show you how to create 3D book mockups in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Go to the Uploads tab and click Upload Files to add your book cover photo. Once uploaded, it will appear on your canvas. Navigate to the Apps section and search for Mockup. Select the mockup application from the results. Inside the app, browse categories like popular, videos, smartphones, print, or computers. For book mockups, focus on the print section. Choose your preferred book mockup. I'll use this one as examples. Click it, add it to your page. Now drag your cover image directly onto the mockup. It automatically wraps your design onto the 3D book model. That's how you create professional book mockups in minutes. If this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching.